Kevin here from Lambert ATV Sales in Roscommon. Just coming on to show you the new Suzuki KingQuad 500. There is the option of power steering on this model. They come fully automatic with a high-low box, selectable 2 and 4 wheel drive with differential lock, independent rear suspension with a heavy-duty hitch, an over fender kit for keeping the muck down, digital dash, your low, high, neutral, reverse, just select it, rev and go. So there's the choice of two models. Without the power steering, that can be financed at €52 per week, or with the power steering at €56 per week. So for finance, you can text your name, address, email address and a contact number, and we'll arrange the finance for you. Trade-ins taken, delivery and finance options available. For a straight sale price, you can give myself, Kevin, a call on 087 742 1488. Thanks.